All right, let's take a look at a beautiful mouse, if you guys can see. Now, this mouse, really light. I like the reinforcement it has. You can see through. It has RGB lighting in the middle. This mouse could be from gaming to working from home to working from your office. It's light on the hand itself. It fits all around it, if you guys can see. Multiple buttons. You got these side buttons here, the top two buttons. Center button to actually lower down the speed of the mouse. You could make it smooth, and actually adjustment for the actual gaming. All right, so if you're gonna snipe, you could lower down the actual motion of the actual mouse from here. Laser sensor in the bottom. All right, it has 5 different touch points: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in here. Now, very smooth for any kind of surface that you have. They do give you USB with it. Also with the USB, they give you an actual converter. All right, so if you have a Type-C, you convert to Type-C. Very simple to use. But today we're going to test it out. We're going to game with it. We're going to turn it on, and I'm going to show you guys in the bottom. In the bottom, you have options. To the right, it's going to be Bluetooth. There's a BT. And the other side, it's going to be for the wireless, it's 2.4, and that's where you actually use this USB. Today we're going to use the USB connection, but if you guys can see it, look at beautiful lighting up already. RGB lighting connections are fabulous. There at night it looks beautiful. You do have to charge it, and to charge it is a Type-C connection in the front, but this is going to last you for weeks once with full charge. All right, now the lighting, it could be turned off. It's an optional. That's up to you if you want to turn it off completely, but to be honest with you, it's one of those things I don't want to turn off because it matches pretty much your ambience of your gaming system. All right, at the end of the day, if you want to save your USB, you can just slide it in here and save it in there, and you know it's not going to get lost. We're going to test out the load too, how heavy they are, and we're going to test it out and compare with other devices. The other mouse that I actually own, they're all high-end too and more expensive, but this one is the least expensive one and the best design pretty much so far that I like. Look at this one, 3.8 heavy. This is a Logitech. All right, G900, and then we put this one in here, 2.8. So this is a lot lighter. All right, we're gonna run on PVC tile, the smoothest of this mouse. You guys can see that. That's not the clicky noise. Favorite thing about it's the LED light inside that has a kind of like a globe inside. You can change the different colors too, but look at the actual mouse pad. Smooth, runs very smooth compared to other mouse. Bluetooth or USB Wi-Fi connection, you could do that. Wireless, actually 2.4 hertz. But if you want to run Bluetooth, it runs really good. The lighting effect is another plus. That's an actual plus for it. The frame itself makes it a lot lighter, especially the design. Beautiful, handles great to your hand. It's a lot smaller compared to another mouse that's a lot larger. Look at the size of this one, all right, compared to it. G9000 compared to this one, a lot smaller. Better design.